how to install replication components in SQL Server on existing instance. This is applicable for on-premises as well as for Azure infrastructure as a service. This is Sai Fanindra from SQL School. I assure you complete practice-oriented classes from scratch, right from the basics. And the agenda for today's class, short session on how to install the replication components. This is a part of our DBA activities, core and Azure DBA concepts, chapter 23, 24, and 32. For these chapters, next few minutes is very important for us. Come on, let's get started now. Let's understand how to add replication components to existing SQL Server instance. For that purpose, I'll take you to my other computer, and here I'll take you to the software. Simply download, install SQL Server software. Go to installation, add features to existing installation. Add features to existing installation. And just click on it. We get one screen. We get one screen here. Let's wait. Click on next. Click on next. Click on next. Perform new installation or add features to existing instance. We have to click on this one, okay? Add features to existing instance. And select the server for which, or select the instance for which you want to add the replication. For example, see here. For my existing instance, MS SQL Server new, there is no replication component. So I'll take that MS SQL Server new, okay? See, replication is missing here, right? Let me add it to the instance. So we need to add replication component to individual instances, one at a time. Next, select this replication component. Next, select replication component. Say next. Then install like this. Just click on install. And we are done. So we need to install the replication component in this way. Once it is installed successfully, launch SSMS. It's installed successfully now. It took few moments time, just few moments. Once it is installed successfully, then what we do, let's see. Close. Launch SSMS, connect to the server. Connect to that particular instance. Here it is, our MS SQL Server new, right? This one. Connect to that particular instance. And then we need to verify whether replication components are working or not. So right click, configure distribution. There should not be any error. See, we need to get the wizard in this way. Okay, so what we learned how to install replication component, and once it is installed successfully, then how to verify. With this information, we'll stop for now. Any further questions or clarifications, please do reach me. participants taking part in our training classes, I kindly request you to ensure on-time practice for best results. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Thank you once again, everyone. See you soon in the next class. Thank you so much.